So what is mindfulness? Basically, this is the experience of being fully present in this moment. So it's not reacting, it's not overthinking, it's simply being in this moment right now. Every person has the ability to be mindful, to have this experience. It's just something most people have to learn. I also call this meditative painting. So meditative painting is a course that I've been teaching for some time. It's a blend of using art mediums such as acrylic painting and canvas or paper and something called active meditation. So it's a way to focus, bring your attention onto an activity that's often repetitive and sort of mindless. Even though we are using our mind, we're focusing on not the outcome but being present in the moment. So that means letting go of how the product turns out. Sometimes we really like it, and sometimes we're not so sure why we created it. But across the board, 99.9% of the time, after facilitating these activities with thousands of people over the years, the consensus is people feel more relaxed. Not always. Sometimes it takes a while. That's why we call it a practice. So the more we practice being in the moment, focusing on our breath, letting go of the outcome, and simply allowing what unfolds, this is called Expressive Arts. So we're just expressing how we feel in the moment. It may not be something you want to hang on your fridge afterwards, but if we can create this experience either by yourself, with a facilitator, or in a group, then possibly the outcome might be feeling a little more focused, maybe more grounded. So to be clear, this is not a clear your mind meditation, and it is more of a mindfulness practice with a meditative quality. So we do use music, and it's non-lyric music, sometimes ambient music. This creates another layer of focus. So if there's sounds in the room, or someone talking, or a chair kind of scruffing on the floor, very often the music will hold that space so that someone that is in the zone of mindfulness and really focused, it's a better possibility they can remain in that state regardless of any noise that happens during the experience. So we've created this space and a sense of calmness in the space. And then comes the guided part. So with all of these activities, there is a verbally guided experience. Most times it is simply this: being aware of how you're feeling, noticing any stress in your body, notice how you're breathing, and then possibly shift it just a little more calm or more focused. And that's it. It's that simple. So sometimes it's doodling a line and the line goes, just wherever it wants to, sort of an intuitive experience. And we're suggesting that we focus on the breath. And if we get into that active mind chitter-chatter, then we bring our awareness back to the breath. And the line that we're creating, the intuitive line, helps us to focus on something just a little more tangent so we can be fully present, mind and body. So I hope that helps to clarify. And if it doesn't, not to worry. We're going to be doing an activity, or you can feel free to begin the next video to experience one of these for yourself. Enjoy.